Hey everybody, it's Josh, Valley RV Supercenter. I am incredibly excited to show you this. This is a very rare opportunity for us. We have a 2025 Jayco Solstice 21B B van in stock. This is the epitome of luxury B vans. I just want to kind of hit on this, just a couple quick things. Whatever I tell you will never live up to you coming down and seeing this in person. Just a quick view, the dash, great visibility. I can tell you 100% I would have no problem touring the country in this. This is the epitome of luxury and comfort. The only part I don't like about this that I'm about to show you is I don't want to be the one who has to sit here. Let's do a quick walk around and I'm going to show you my favorite parts of this thing. All right. Just arrived. Let's take a look in this thing. Oh. Wow. Here, come on in. I can already tell you. With seat belts for traveling, this is much rather where I would rather be. You know, there's guys out there with their My Box and all their laps of luxury and goodness, but I challenge them to be able to cook on the road, go to the bathroom when they need to, be able to lounge out with some friends while seeing this great country. But check this thing out. Great seating, Laguna tables that swivel over, storage. This also is a power, comes down, doubles for your bed. Phenomenal storage up top. I mean, come on. Watch a movie while you're crossing country. Again, so much storage going all the way along. Grab something cold to drink while you're seeing America. Tons of storage. Convection microwave. Sink doubles for extra counter space. Beautiful 2-burner propane cooktop. I would not recommend using this while you're going across country. Maybe park for that one. And come on, everybody who has these fancy cars, you still got to stop to go to the bathroom. Do it on the fly. No need to stop unless you need gas and a fill-up and maybe a cold drink. Oh. Wow. I just wanted to give you a quick, super quick overview on this B van. Whatever I tell you, like I said, this thing is not going to live up to anything I tell you here. You've got to come and experience this for yourself. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's on the Ford chassis. It's a 1-ton chassis with the dualies. It's how we were meant to go across country, if you ask me. So if this is interesting to you or you do want to come check this out, please give me a call, shoot me a text. Josh Judge, Valley RV Supercenter, the one, the only, 253-737-2048. I promise this will not let you down. Let's go camping.